Yo, what's up? This is our day 17 out of 365. So, night run to dito sa amin. So, for today's run, meron tayong 3 sets of 10 minutes pace run. Yung number 1 natin, 6:21 to 7:05. Yung second set, 5:29 to 5:54. Yung third set is 5:55 to 6:20. So, average to ng 5:30 na run. So, sana kayanin natin. Let's go, let's run. Let's run. Be safe, be healthy, be wealthy. Lahat na. Let's go, let's run. First 10 minutes done. So our pacing 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. So let's keep this pacing para sakto lang. So second pace na tayo. Let's go. Second set done. Last set, last 10 minutes. Current pacing 6:03. So we finish our last set, last 10 minutes with an average speed of 5 minutes and 34 seconds. So naka 5k tayo ngayon. And going home na ako. And medyo madilim na. Kasi anong oras na rin? 7:21 na. So yun na lang. Don't forget the hashtag pa rin. Run for your life. Let's run anytime, any day. Let's go. Be healthy, be wealthy, be active.